Okay, I just did a video on blending eyeshadow, so be sure to check that out. Now we're gonna go into skin. Y'all want this damn full coverage foundation routine. Alright, let's go. I don't really like, personally, I don't like a full coverage foundation. That's just preference. I like to see a little bit of my skin peeping through. I got these guys here that I do like to see on my skin, and I don't really care for my redness to show, but I try to cover that up. But for the most part, I do like the skin to look like skin, not caked up makeup. So I'm going in with, if you want full coverage, you need a full coverage foundation. Don't get the light to medium, medium to full. Just go with full coverage foundation. I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. Hopefully this is my shade. And what I'm doing is patting it in the skin. And less is more. What I do is I'll go in a little bit at a time, and then I will layer more on if I need to. I forgot concealer. Shit-da. For my redness. What is concealer? Anybody know? Concealer is a thicker formula of a foundation. That is it. It's all the same shit. My hand is tired. Okay. I'm gonna add some more here. And you want to use a good foundation brush too. Like if you want the full coverage, you need like these kabuki brushes are excellent because they're stiff. Like these bristles are in there stiff. You don't want nothing too loosey goose like this, because the foundation, all it's gonna go is right down, and you don't want that. You want the foundation to lay here so you can stipple it on. This would be more like a light coverage, and like what I use this to kind of like blend the powders in together. So a nice stiff kabuki brush is excellent for full coverage. With this concealer, it might be too light for me, but it is the Bare Pro in tan. That's too dark. We're gonna mix this up. This is in medium cool. Alright, I'm going to go in with some contour. This is Deep Neutral. Ooh. Let's go in with the brush first. It might be a little dark. It's pretty good. Alright, I'm going in with Well Rusted. This stuff is well loved. Because it just brightens you up here really nicely. Next, I'm going to go in with Younique's bronzer. You want to go in with like all your liquids and creams, so like how I went in with cream, contour, And now I'm going in with powder contour. Like, that's really the key to a full coverage and a long-lasting coverage. Like, you know, if you have an all-day affair, like, this is what you want to do so your makeup lasts all day. Blush. I should have done a liquid blush too. I have a liquid highlighter. We'll just use that. This one is the Bare Glow. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Let's Go Nude blush. So you can always use eyeshadow to highlight as well. I'm gonna go in with this bronzy highlight. Actually, I'm gonna mix both of them. Fuck it. Oh, I did have a highlighter. Ooh, honey. Yes. Okay, and then to finish it off, I'm gonna use the Perfecting Veil. I'm just gonna dust some of this on. This will be used as my setting powder. The good thing about full coverage foundations, a lot of them don't need powder. They kind of like set on their own. So that's why I didn't go in with setting powder today. But that is it. You can't see my marks anymore though. I mean, you can see this guy a little bit. But you see what I mean? Like, I just like my natural marks. I don't know. But this is a full coverage foundation routine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out.